So I've had this machine since about 2014, and it has remained silent until now. It's not completely finished, as I need to get the right speed knob. It doesn't have a speed knob, so I have something that are spaced right to keep the speed somewhat near where it needs to be. The graphophone is different than the phonograph. The graphophone was interesting because it was a product of the American Graphophone Company, which was an offshoot of the Volta Laboratories, Chester Bell, and Charles Sumner Taylor. That's why it has some pretty early patents on it. This is a 5-inch machine known as the AG. It's pretty neat. It's got a pulley. It's got a lot of aluminum, which is kind of interesting. The mandrel is aluminum, the reproducer is aluminum, and the bottom bed plate is aluminum. The carriage is actually made out of pot metal and brass. I had most of it rebuilt because it was completely crumbled by Jean-Paul Agnard. He had the parts and did the work on the carriage itself. So a lot of the carriage was crumbled. And he put as much original parts as he could into it. The reproducer is new. And so we're going to be hearing an American Graphophone or Columbia Phonograph Company record. This is The Boy Guessed Right by Dan W. Quinn.
The Boy Guessed Right, as sung by Mr. Dan W. Quinn for the Columbia Phonograph Company of New York and Paris. There was a little boy who went to school, and he was an aggravating lad. He smashed every window and he broke each rule. His behavior was really very bad. So the master invited him to come one day for a private little interview. And he welcomed Master Jack with his hand behind his back, saying, "Guess what I brought for you?" And the boy guessed right the very first time, very first time, very first time. He guessed right away it was not a cricket bat. I wonder how he came to think of that.